Hey, what's going on, everyone? I wanted to do a quick video. There is a new One UI 6.1 camera update that has been released. It's released right now in Korea. Hopefully we'll be rolling out to the US in the next few weeks. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So if we go ahead and go over to X, there is a post here about the One UI 6.1 release. So we're going to go ahead and jump into it. And update, once I said, is rolling out in Korea right now. So let's go ahead and take a look here. If we go into the post here, it says there's S24 Galaxy S24 camera gallery March update. So this is the person that is in charge of the camera portion of the Samsung Galaxy S24 line at Samsung, and it's talking about just some of the reports that people have made and concerns they have with the camera. So if we go over here, we actually have a list of what the improvements are going to be. So right now we have the first one is the tone of the night environment has been improved. The low light contour and color expression of the Expert RAW app has been improved. So if you are a user of the Expert RAW app, this is going to be great. For those of you that don't know, Expert RAW gives you much more functionality over your camera. It lets you dial in a bit more than the regular Pro mode. So this is very nice. It also has some extra features in it, such as the ND filter. So the virtual ND filter, it has the sky guide for astrophotography, and it also has some other additional features. So it says it will be improved through the Expert RAW app update, and we'll announce the schedule later. Improved text clarity when using zoom, scale, and photo mode. So there are a few videos out about this. So if you zoom in, the text is much more clearer, which is going to be nice. So if you're using the 5x zoom or any of the zoom on the S24 series, you will have a much more clear text. So if you're taking a picture of a sign and you zoom in, that text usually kind of gets degraded as you zoom in, but this is going to stay clear. It also lists 480 by 480 resolution has been added to support enhanced slomo and smaller sized videos. So that means if you're doing slow-mo videos and smaller videos, that they've added support for that. And then stability has been improved for other introduced camera gallery operations. So this is really cool to see rolling out to the One UI 6.1 S24 series. So if we go ahead and go back here and take a look at the log. So this is the log, the change log here, which is in Korean. It does show that the version is going to end in AXC3, and it is just about 800 megabytes. So it's 797.83 megabytes. So this will be rolling out to the US right now. It's currently rolling out to Korea. If we swipe over here, this is the translation in English. This is a screenshot of somebody who actually completed the update on March 26th at 2:59 p.m. So if we zoom in here, we can see that AXC3, 797.83 megabytes. Patch level security for April 1st. And then this is the official translation here in English. It says the optimization code related to camera image quality and usability has been applied. The stabilization code related to the operation of the terminal to which the stabilization code is applied has been applied. And then Google security patch application security related stabilization has been applied. And then there is a Samsung mobile link that you can click. So super excited to see this on the camera. So right now we jump into the camera and go to our settings. Let's see. So this is version 14.1.00.69. So we'll see what that new release brings. We should see a new version there. Let's see if there's anything else. Other than that, that's about it. So I just wanted to get this video out. Hopefully you guys are super excited like I am. If you got the Galaxy S24 series, whether you have the S24, the S24 Plus, or the S24 Ultra like I have here, super excited to see this camera update. Let me know in the comments below if you're as excited to get this update, or if you've already gotten the update. If you're somewhere else, say in Korea, let us know. Appreciate you watching the video. Give us a thumbs up Consider subscribing to the channel. Click the bell notification so you get updated when new videos are uploaded. And we'll catch you in the next one.